Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now 6:50. I'm having heavy breakfast in Jollibee. Today the day 1, 7 o'clock in the morning. After I had a breakfast in Jollibee, right now I'm walking to the bus station. I'm going to the Cebu City North Bus Terminal. Here you can get the taxi. There you can get the bus to the city. So for the bus to the city, it's only cost 50 pesos. Just right there, you can see that. The first bus from here, 7 o'clock. Probably I missed the first bus. Maybe I go the second one. So 50 peso for the ticket. Okay, SM bus terminal. We are going out. So it's 100 pesos from SM bus stop to Pier 1 terminal. That. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. In Cebu, the climate is very cloudy. Look at that. It's very cloudy. I hope in Bohol, the climate will be nice. Okay, thank you. From here, I took Ocean Jet Fast Ferry. You can see the boat timing and schedule, and you can see the ticket price. It is 800 pesos per person. I'm going to Tagbilaran port. This is where you stand in the line and get a ticket. The ticketing process is very slow, so you need to come early, then only you can make it on time. Otherwise, you will lose your boat. If you want to skip the line, you can book the ticket online. You can see the information right here. Finally, I got my ticket. Now I'm going to get the money from the 7-Eleven. There is no ATM around over here. You need to be very careful. Here a lot of people try to buy your ticket, but they charge you extra 300. Better you stand in the line, you get your ticket. It's much better. Only 800 pesos. This is the Pier 1 terminal. It's almost like 8:30 right now. My boat going from here 9:20. I heard need to cross a lot of customs. Let's see, is there any terminal fee? We'll go from there. First, there's a security checkpoint. In the entrance, you need to show your ticket. Then only you can enter. Second, you have to pay terminal fee. It is 25 pesos. One ticket. Okay. So far, terminal fee 25. Third, you have to show the security the terminal fee receipt and tickets. Fourth, you have to X-ray your luggage and scanning process. Whoa! Oh! Gotta be kidding me. After the security check, you need to go to the check-in counter. It is exactly look like an airport. Fifth, you need to present your ticket. Then they will give you boarding pass. Hi, good morning.
Where are you going, sir?
I'm going to Tagbilaran port. After check-in, the ticket will be like this. I have to wait in the row 6 until the time comes out. So this is look like a waiting area. Before enter to the waiting area, one final check. So row 6?
Sir?
Row 6?
Yeah, gate 6 sir.
Where there?
Yeah, sir. Left side.
Left side?
Straight out.
Okay. I have to tell you, this is the huge waiting area I ever seen in a port. Minimum 3,000 people already here in the morning waiting for the boat. Finally, my time comes to board. Currently, the time is 9:20. They start the boarding process. This Ocean Jet Fast Ferry, fully air conditioned.
Hi, good morning. 32H, 7th row, window 5.
The staffs are very professional. The seats are very comfortable. I got the window seat.
Everybody have.
Every passenger have a specific numbered seat.
Okay.
Mine is 32I, so I got a window seat. Right now 9:30 in the morning. We started move from the port area. Here you can see the lady sitting beside me. She is a very nice person. She helped me a lot. I have to tell you, if you go Cebu to Tagbilaran port, it costs you 800 pesos. At the same time, Cebu to Tubigan port, it only costs 330 pesos. This knowledge, I don't have it. The lady beside me, she gave me this knowledge. Please guys, keep this on your mind so you can save more than 470 pesos. That is very important. Right now, I don't know that, so I really wasted my money. The boat ride was very smooth and fast. It is almost 11:30. We reached Bohol. I'm really happy. I saw the climate. It is much better than Cebu. It's almost like 11:30. 2 hours ride. Outside a little bit more sunlight than inside. Not bad. The Tagbilaran port looks very beautiful. The port area is very long. You need to walk at least 600 meters to get out of this place. In the middle, right out of the gate, the locals approach you for island hopping, all the local activity.
Hi ma'am, good morning. Yes, good morning. Welcome to Bohol ba?
My recommendation, ignore them all, walk outside. My plan was going to stay nearby the chocolate hill area, then explore the whole Bohol from there. You will get approached by minimum 4 or 5 local drivers for the transportation. Ignore everything, you just keep on walking.
No, it's okay.
Terminal mga mo.
Terminal dito sa daw,
Oh, oh.
Uy,
Asa mo pa daw, ma'am?
On the outside, you will get the public transport. There you can share the ride with the other passenger, so your fare will be very less. So you can save a lot of money.
Give me that. Come here. Oh.
terminal ni kuya sa daw.
Me and the lady got a shared auto with other passengers, so we will pay 40 pesos each, which is more reasonable.
Daghan. So minibus to going to
Okay.
Carmen.
Because I want to go there first. Let's see
Yeah.
how it goes.
I'm going to the bus terminal. From there, I will get the bus to Carmen, because Carmen is the area the chocolate hills located.
Thank you. I'll see you later.
See you soon.
Okay, bye-bye. So, it's like a 10 minutes ride. We already here at the bus station.
I haven't booked any hotel in Carmen since very early. Right now only 12 o'clock, so I can find a place over there. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe. I see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.
Bye.